MCQ questions based on potential. First, the electric potential V at any point O in space is given by V equal to 4x square. The electric field at the point 1 meter, 0 meter and 2 meter. Now given is V equal to 4x square. The value of electric field E equal to minus dV upon dx. Now we differentiate minus 4 and the derivative of x square is 2x. So this is equal to minus 8x. Now the value of x equal to 1 meter. So the value of electric field equal to minus 8 into 1, that is equal to minus 8 volt per meter. So the magnitude is 8 and direction is negative x-axis. So correct option is A. Now second, if unit positive charge is taken from one point to another over an equipotential surface, then no work is done because on equipotential surface potential are same. So the work done equal to Q into VB minus VA, and if potential are same, then this will be cancelled out because we put VA minus VA and this cancelled, so work done is 0. So correct option is D. Now question number third, a hollow metal sphere of radius 5 cm is charged so that potential on its surface is 10 volt. The potential at the center of the sphere, the correct option is 10 volt because E equal to electric field is given by E equal to minus dV upon dr. Inside the hollow sphere electric field is 0, so minus dV upon dr. So dV equal to 0 into dr. Now we integrate both sides. So the value of V equal to constant. So potential inside the hollow sphere is same as on the surface. Question number 4. A conductor with positive charge is always at positive potential, is always at zero potential, is always at negative potential, is maybe positive, zero or negative. So the correct option is D, because potential depends on reference point. If the potential of any other point is more than the positive potential of one point, then this point will be negative. अब A का पोटेंशियल सपोज करो 5 वोल्ट है और B पॉइंट का पोटेंशियल सपोज करो 20 वोल्ट है, तो अब ये 5 वोल्ट की वैल्यू लेस है, देन दिस A इज कंसिडर्ड एज नेगेटिव एंड B इज कंसिडर्ड एज पॉजिटिव. और अगर A का 5 है और B का 0 है तो A पॉजिटिव. अगर A का 5 वोल्ट है और B also 5 वोल्ट, देन पोटेंशियल इज 0. So the correct option is D. Now question number 5. Figure shows the electric line of force emerging from a charged body if electric field at A and B are EA and EB respectively, and if so, which option is correct? Now these line at point A are closer while line at point B are farther away. So the electric field at A will be greater than electric field at B because electric field E, product of E into dr is remains constant. So more with the gap, less with the electric field, less with the gap, more with the electric field. So electric field at A will be more than electric field at B. Now question number 6. Which of the following opinions is correct? In a region of constant potential, the electric field is uniform, electric field is 0. There can be charge inside the region. The electric cell is the charge inside the region N. The electric field cell necessarily change if charge is placed outside the region. Now again we know the formula E equal to minus dV upon dr, and if V is constant, so the derivative of constant is 0, so the electric field is equal to 0. So the correct option is B. Question number 7. 64 drops, each having the capacity C and potential V, are combined to form a big drop. If charge on the small drop is Q, then charge on bigger drop. Charge is additive in nature. So charge on the bigger drop equal to N into charge on the smaller drop. So this N 64 or charge Q. So option is 64Q. If they ask the what is the potential on the bigger drop, अब हमें फाइंड करना है मान लो पोटेंशियल ऑन द बिगर ड्रॉप. So to find the potential on bigger drop, first of all we find radius of the bigger drop. So the volume of the bigger drop equal to 64 into volume of smaller drop. 4 by 3 pi cancel. R cube equal to 64 R cube. R equal to 4R. So the potential on the bigger drop equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge becomes 64Q. Radius becomes 4R. 416 ये cancel. So 16 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. So the potential becomes 16V. If we find the capacitance, C dash equal to Q dash upon V dash. Q dash is 64Q and V is 16V. 16V. So the capacitance becomes 4 times of C. So that is the correct option is. So अब यहाँ चार्ज पूछा है, तो ऑप्शन इज 64Q. अगर पोटेंशियल पूछे then 16V, or if they asked about the capacitance then that is equal to 4C.